welcome to Audrey's Southern Cooking. My name is Nita. How are you today? If you've never been to my channel, welcome! I'm so excited you came. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad that you came back. So, first of all, don't forget your sweet tea. If you're new to my channel, always have a glass of sweet tea. That's what we always do. Well, what are we gonna do today? I've been trying to think, what's something good that's summery or something easy to fix. The kids are home for summer. Maybe you're going on picnics, family, get-togethers, potlucks. Maybe you just want to make something that you can eat on a couple of days. If there's just one or two of you, if you've got kids, this may go fast. So I came up with Southern Pimento cheese. I know, this is going to be fabulous, and it's really easy to make. Let's look at the ingredients. All right, so what do we have? Got an onion, we're gonna grate that. That's why I have a little grater. Diced pimentos, I've already drained them. We have pecans. You can put I have walnuts. You can put pecans or you can have walnuts, either one. We're only gonna use just like a tablespoon of Worcestershire. I've already got my 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. And now it calls for crushed red pepper. So I just got a few little red pepper flakes and some paprika, just for some color. And extra sharp, this is the important part, extra sharp cheese and sharp cheese with your pimentos. That's the most important thing. So let's get started. All right, let's get started. Taking my 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. I'm just gonna put this in here. And my diced pimentos, I've already drained them. It's 4-ounce bottle, so you're gonna put this whole thing in there. We're gonna put a teaspoon of Worcestershire. All right, 1 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of the grated onion, which I've grated. And since it's just this, I missed it by just like 1/2 teaspoon, I'm just gonna put that in there too. All right, I'm gonna move this cutting board out of the way. And I'm just gonna take my fork here and just mix this up. The crushed red pepper and paprika, it actually calls for finely ground red pepper, but I'm just gonna put just a little bit of this. This is gonna give it just a little heat. Now it calls for a teaspoon. I'm not crazy about hot, so we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. I probably got about 1/2 teaspoon. If you want a little hotter, I recommend go ahead and doing that. You could even put some jalapenos in there if you wanted to. All right, so there's that mixed. And then we're gonna add our shredded cheese. They call for 1 cup of each. So let me get me a cup. Welcome back to the counter. Okay, so what do we got? My pimento cheese, and I just put it on like 1 slice of bread. So I'm just gonna fold it over, make a little mini sandwich just so I can taste it. And so I do have a little bit of walnuts in here. I don't keep wanting to say pecans, but it's walnut. All right. I like the little heat from the pepper. I have a little crushed pepper, red pepper, and a little bit of paprika. There's a little bit of heat, but not much. And the crunch of the pecan. That's really good. All right, that was really good. So we'll take a little drink of my sweet tea. All right. So I would recommend this for anyone with, like I said, with children. If you want to do something to take to a family gathering, a picnic, this would be good. Just make sure you keep your pimento cheese on ice if you're taking it to a picnic, so it doesn't get too hot. Just take it out right before you eat. Put it on your sandwiches. Oh, it's wonderful. It's really good. All right. I appreciate y'all watching. If you would like to subscribe, go ahead and hit that button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my videos. There will also be some links in there in the bottom in the description for some supplies for this video. Those are from Amazon links where you can purchase them through Amazon. Now, that is an affiliate link, so I do get a small percent, and I do mean a small percent. And it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help support my channel, and I would really appreciate that very much. And don't forget to tell your friends so they'll come and share these videos with us. And don't forget to get your sweet tea, because we always have that in our videos, because you know we've got to have something to drink while we're working. Lord knows I do. All right, well, thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Hi everybody, welcome to my craft room. I wanted to apologize. In this video, the pimento cheese recipe, I thought the camera was running when it was not. So I did not record a section to where I put cheese and the walnuts in. So I'm very sorry, but I did want to go ahead and post the video, but I did want to let you know why that little section is not in there. So again, I'm sorry. And also, if you noticed that my apron changed from white to black, that's because I spilled tea on myself. So that whole video was just a mess up. So, but it is what it is, and I just wanted y'all to know that I'm just human. So it's okay. I put it up anyway for you. You can laugh at me, it's fine. I laughed at myself. So I do appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. So just be sure to share with your friends, and go ahead, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy the videos. And I just want to, again, sorry about that. I left that little piece out. I just put a cup of the sharp cheddar and a cup of the extra sharp cheddar in there. And instead of putting a whole cup of the walnuts, which was going to be too much, I just kind of sprinkled some in, so it was probably around 1/4 of a cup, maybe, if that, maybe more like 1/8 of a cup of walnuts. And then later I did go back and add a little bit of the crushed red pepper to make it a little bit more spicier. So I will redo this video at a later date, and I promise I will do my best not to mess that one up. But stay tuned to more videos. That's why you need to go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're going to be doing a lot of smoking meats, and that's my next few videos that I want to get out. So watch for those. And if you have any questions, or if you want to email me or comment below, I will respond to you. My email address is audreyssoutherncooking@gmail.com. It'll be down in that description link, so you can click on that and email me if you want. You can also, like I said, comment, and I will respond in the comment section. All right, thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a great day, and y'all come back